Good morning.
Good morning, sir. My name is Irene Delara. I'm 33 years old. I'm single. I have 2 sons. My eldest is 5 years old and my youngest is 3 months old. I work as a domestic helper here in the Philippines for 1 year, June 2012 to until June 2013.
Okay, and how many were there in the family?
They have 4 members of the family, Madam, 2 children, and her grandson.
And how old is the grandson?
1 year old.
And are you the one taking care of the baby?
Yes.
And can you tell me your duties?
My duties is I'm cleaning, washing clothes, ironing, go to market, and also taking care of grandson.
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money for my educational plan for my 2 sons, and I want to help my family, especially to my parents.
Okay, and who's going to take care of your children when you work in Hong Kong?
My parents will take care of my children while I work in Hong Kong.
Are you willing to take care of children?
Yes.
How about pets like dogs and cats?
Yes, I love pets because I have dogs and cats to my house.
Okay, and can you sing a children's song for us?
Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Okay, and do you have any message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please select me as your helper because I am hardworking, I'm responsible, I'm honest, and also I will do my best to serve you.
Thank you very much, Irene Delara, and I hope to see you in Hong Kong.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day. Bye.